What is up, YouTube? So today we are doing this look for you guys. It's just a very daytime appropriate look. You could wear it to work, you could wear it to grocery store, you could wear it to your kids' soccer games, you know, wherever you feel the need to just kind of dress it up a bit. If you guys want to see how I created this face, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I already did my brows and I primed my lids off camera. Nothing new. And as y'all know, it takes me a while to do my brows. So this is the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using today. It's by the brand Carity and it is their Picante. It's basically a warm palette. So the first shade we're taking is Eyeshadow, which is this shade right here. It's just like a neutral brown. We use this shadow to apply to the crease. We're just keeping it very light. There we go. Now we have a nice blended crease. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Bittersweet. It's like a dark brown shade. We're just going to keep it below the crease. And we're just using the same brush that we used earlier. We're still going to take that same shade with the same brush. We're just going to apply it to... With the same brush, we're just going to apply it to the lid. So you just want to kind of pack it on and then just blend out. And to highlight the brow bone, we are just going to use this shade by Milk Cosmetics, shade Classic. Tap off any excess, apply it. It also helps to set that concealer. Because we prime our eyes with concealer, concealer is a wet consistency and you don't want the concealer to be left out. Let me just blend out this eye real quick. Now we are going to skip eyeliner. Not really been liking eyeliner. And we are going to apply lashes. So we are going to use these lashes by Diamond Strong. They're in the style. Let's open it up and see what kind of lashes these are. So these are the lashes we're using today. They are called Fighter. Make sure to check out their lashes. They're pretty affordable. And if you decide to purchase any, make sure to use Bree for 10% off. Shoot, I forgot to press record when I was putting on my lashes. Let's move on to the face. I should really try to tan my hands more. So the first thing I'm going to apply to my face is the Milk Hydro Primer. So we're just going to apply it to the face. Grab some. Just going to start working that into the face. Now that our face is nice and tacky, we're going to go in with our foundation, which is the L'Oreal Fresh Wear. We're going to use our hands today. The warmth of the hands will really blend out the foundation. Patting motions will help blend it out too. So now that we have our face all nice and blended out, I swear you guys, hands are like the best. The best tools you could use. If all else fails, if you don't have a beauty blender or a brush or anything like that, hands are seriously the best. We are going to take our Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Sand. And then also to the forehead. We are going to use a beauty sponge. I like to use this one. This one is by Judo & Co. This is their rosé sponge. I really like it because it's super soft, but also the velvet texture helps to give a really nice finish. I like to use a damp sponge to blend out our concealer because I feel like it's the best way to do it. So we're just gonna kind of use this technique. I feel like it'll help spread the concealer. So now that everything is all nice and blended out, we are going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder Finishing Powder. So I have some of the powder on the sponge and now we are going to set. We're just going to gently press it and move it around our face. Just to make sure our concealer is nice and set. So now that our whole face is set, we're going to use our Benefit Hello Flawless Setting Powder to set the rest of our face. And then while we're setting the rest of our face, we're just going to dust away any of the powder. I don't like to leave it on for too long. So we are going to be applying bronzer. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is in the shade Caramel Cutie. I did get a sample size because I was unsure of which shade would work. Also wanted to try the matchstick. Sorry, my hand is in the way. So this is the bronzer. Such cute packaging. A Morphe M405 brush to contour. So I definitely will be buying a full size of this bronzer if you are in my shade. This bronzer is perfect for us. Such a nice bronzer shade, and it's matte, so there's no sheen. It's easy to blend. Now I will take my foundation brush and I will just help to blend that out just to make it more seamless. I don't want to go in with more product and get it looking all muddy or hella contoured. Just nice and seamless. There we go. Just putting her back in place. Now let's apply some blush. Blush Like You Meant It. This is in the shade Amazement. It's a nice coral shade that gives you a healthy look. Tap off the excess, and we're going to start applying it right on the apples of the cheeks, and then kind of taking it back so that it helps to blend out the bronzer. It's not a heavy blush, it's just a nice fresh blush. So we're going to take the KKW Beauty Brightening Powder. This is in the shade 3. Right under the eye, we're just going to tap it in. If you compare the two sides, this side is obviously a bit brighter and this side is still kind of dull. There we go. Especially when doing a heavy or smoky look, you want the under eyes to be light and bright. So for highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter for the cheekbone. Ooh, she is pretty. So I do like to highlight the temples just a bit, just because I like an all-around glow. I think I'm going to skip on contouring my nose today. I know I always contour my nose, but I just feel like we're going to embrace our nose today. But now we can apply our lip. And we are just going to use the Dose of Colors gloss that they did with Disney. This is in the shade Rockin' It, and it is the perfect nude gloss. And we're just going to apply her to the lips. A nice nude gloss. Let me just fix my brow hairs real quick. So now we are going to set the face, and I am just going to be using Smashbox Primer Water. Ooh. And after we set our face, we are just going to fan it. And this is the completed look. Just a simple, smoky, kind of everyday look, work appropriate. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This was actually way harder than I thought it would be. As you can tell, I obviously worked my way around using these things. It was a lot harder than I thought it would be. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just a fun, sarcastic video I decided to do today. Nothing in this video is super serious. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely give it a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. If you want to keep up with me elsewhere, you can follow my social media. That is always down below and at the end of this video. I don't think I have anything else to say except I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you for sticking with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. I already did my brows, and let's open it up and see. Ooh. So we are just going to blend out our concealer. Blush like you, mint. Blush like you. Ugh. So for highlighter, ugh. So for, she's looking at me like, what the hell? You kiss? Aw, there. Love you. I know that my hands have been all over the place, like switched probably on the, this, I think this is the wrong way. Hot ass mess. She's shaking my head. Ay! She took my hand. Now I only have one hand. Boo! Oh, she's trying to do what I'm doing. Oh, she is so smart. Yay, good job, Boo! Good job, Boo! You did it! You did it!